So we're gonna work on our rotational lunge today, and you have the option to do this with or without a kettlebell. And just to break down the lunge mechanics real quickly again, what we're gonna do is we're gonna step back into a reverse lunge. So the only difference between a regular lunge and a reverse lunge is that a reverse lunge we're stepping backwards into versus a regular lunge where we're stepping into the lunge forward. So when you're ready, we're gonna step back into the lunge, and then in this position, we'll have our weight later, but we're gonna rotate outwards to the side that your front leg is pointing outwards at. So rotate and back in, rotate and back in. So with the weight, this is what it's going to look like. Kettlebell, firm grip on two sides, drop down, rotate, back up, switch, drop, rotate, back up, drop, rotate, back up. Now while we're doing this, we want to make sure to keep nice and engaged in our core muscles. Our obliques are going to start kicking in as we rotate our weight, but also making sure that our lower body is balanced in that lunge position. Since we are rotating in this position, we don't want to throw our balance off and trip over. So if you're doing this for the first time, it's ideal to try out a couple reps just without the weight, just to get the motion downwards. Motion down, not downwards. And that is our rotational lunge.